The 2026 Honda HR-V has been designed with comfort, practicality, and everyday usability as its main priorities. Positioned as a subcompact sport utility vehicle, it takes inspiration from the larger Honda CR-V while maintaining a size and character that make it easy to live with on a daily basis. The HR-V offers a blend of spacious seating, refined handling, and a full suite of standard safety features that give drivers confidence on the road. It is not a vehicle built for thrilling speed or excitement, but instead, it focuses on being dependable and versatile, whether driving through busy city streets or handling weekend family errands. Pricing for the 2026 Honda HR-V begins at $27,595 and can rise to $31,445 depending on the chosen trim level and available options. Among the trims, the Sport version is widely considered the best value for money. It combines a stylish appearance with an impressive list of features while keeping the price under $30,000. This trim includes heated front seats, remote engine start, a 6-speaker audio system, and proximity keyless entry. It also carries bold 18-inch black wheels that give the vehicle a sportier look. For those who want additional traction, all trim levels can be equipped with all-wheel drive at an added cost of $1,500. Honda has updated the HR-V for the 2026 model year with several thoughtful improvements that give it a fresher and more modern personality. Every version now comes with a 9-inch touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad that keeps devices powered without the clutter of cords. The base LX trim now features rear privacy glass, while the higher XL trim has been improved with new 18-inch wheels, silver steering wheel accents, illuminated climate control knobs, and soft footwell lighting that adds to the upscale atmosphere. 2 new exterior paint options called Boost Blue Pearl and Solar Reflection Metallic allow buyers to personalize the vehicle further. The Sport trim also gains gloss black tailgate badging that emphasizes its bold design. Under the hood, the HR-V is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a continuously variable transmission. This setup produces 158 horsepower, delivering smooth and dependable performance. Acceleration is not its strongest point, with the vehicle requiring 9.4 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. Competitors such as the Mazda CX-30 and Hyundai Kona, with turbocharged engines, offer quicker acceleration. Still, for most drivers who value efficiency and daily usability, the power is adequate for commuting and regular travel. Fuel economy is one of the greatest strengths of the HR-V. Front-wheel drive models achieve 26 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Versions equipped with all-wheel drive return 25 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. In real-world highway testing at 75 miles per hour, the all-wheel drive model achieved 32 miles per gallon, which translates to a driving range of up to 440 miles on a full tank of fuel. Inside the cabin, Honda emphasizes simplicity, comfort, and functionality. The design is inspired by the Honda Civic, featuring clean lines and an intuitive layout. The front seats are supportive and easily adjustable, and smart storage compartments are positioned throughout the cabin. Cargo capacity is generous for a subcompact crossover, with space for 7 carry-on suitcases behind the rear seats, and as many as 22 when the rear seats are folded flat. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda HR-V is a subcompact sport utility vehicle that focuses on reliability, comfort, and efficiency. It may not provide excitement for drivers seeking speed, but it excels at delivering value, practicality, and versatility, making it an excellent companion for commuting, family life, and long journeys.